Hi guys! So today we're going to be making our own volcanoes and we're going to be making them erupt. We are going to need foil, food coloring, vinegar, baking soda, a glass, and a bowl. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put our glass in the middle of our bowl and we're going to grab our foil, put it on top, and wrap it around. And then we're going to poke a hole right where the glass is. And that's our volcano. So now you're going to add in vinegar and you're going to fill up your glass about halfway. I already filled mine in. So after you fill yours in, you're going to add a few drops of food coloring. I only have pink, so we're going to use pink, but you can use any color you want. We're going to add about a spoonful of baking soda. Ready? Let's see. And that's how our volcano erupts.